one announcement. I hope y'all are excited. Some of you may have heard this, some of you may have not, but coming September 13th, that's a Sunday in the evening, man, we will be gathering together again in our high school room. So I've been up here trying to clean up. Philip's been getting the middle school room right. We're trying to get it prepped and ready for y'all to return. We cannot wait, y'all. We're looking forward to it. It's gonna be September 13th. Starting, we're gonna open up the hangout areas as well as outside at 5:30. We will begin our time at 6:30. Man, I hope you come. I hope you bring a friend. We are going to enjoy some time together in person while practicing health and safe CDC guidelines. So we got all that going. If you don't feel comfortable without bringing a mask, bring a mask. We will be socially distant. But we're looking forward to being able to be in each other's presence yet again. Look, I'm talking to a GoPro. That ain't no fun. I'm trying to see some people in person. So I'm looking forward to it. Sunday the 13th. 5:30, we're gonna open up our hangout spots as well as outside. 6:30, the service begins. Bring a friend, you come. Looking forward to it, excited. You'll be hearing about our link night groups, which is gonna be awesome.